I'm at Fort Pierce Inlet, right here on the Treasure Coast. This place features a very scenic waterway that leads out into the Atlantic Ocean. It has birds flying above and on the ground. It is very beautiful and scenic, lots of people around, and I think it will make a great spot to film an episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. First of all, we do this for fun. It's all for fun. One of my favorite hobbies in the world is flying the drone, and this kind of gives it a purpose where I can go somewhere, shoot some shots, and have you vote on your favorite one. I'm gonna spotlight 3 drone shots from this inlet. And hopefully I can get some boats. I love chasing boats with the drone, but I'm gonna spotlight 3 shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. So this is Fort Pierce Inlet, and I guess all we have to do now is find a place to launch the drone. I hope you found a shot that you liked. If you did, please vote for your shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Hey, I'm Scott, and I will see you in the next video.